In CNC machining, mastering programming languages is crucial. G-code and M-code are our languages to ensure each step is accurate and flawless.
Regular maintenance and upkeep of CNC machines are key to maintaining their high-efficiency performance. Only this way can we achieve maximum precision and production efficiency.
Operating CNC machines requires not only technical skills but also safety awareness. Proper use of protective equipment and strict adherence to operating procedures are our top priorities.
The CNC industry is constantly evolving, making it crucial to keep up with new technologies and trends. Continuous learning helps us stay competitive and improve our production levels. What do you think is the biggest challenge in CNC machining? Feel free to leave a comment.
Click on the home page or enter the URL. You will see more mechanical. Your trusted machinery expert in Southeast Asia.